Make me the happiest man in the world? Is that a yes? Oh no! No ring for me, I guess. Wait. I know. This hack will put a ring on your finger in no time. Pretty, isn't it? Now just glue it right on here. Problem solved. Will you marry me now? Again? I hope it fits. Wow! She said yes, people! This place looks just like the pictures. What should I do first, then? Ugh, I hate watching the news. Hold it. Me? Okay. What's going on? Just this thief running rampant through the city. Watch out for your belongings. This guy can jump over anything. Locked windows are his specialty. One passerby caught him and chased him down the street. But sadly, he is still at large. Call the police with any info. Your home is in danger! Yikes! What a time to leave home, huh? I can't leave for my vacation. My jewelry is everywhere. So is my money. Unless… Good thing I have a plan in place. I'll be back. Phew. What a trip. But before I unpack, let's see what's been going on around here. The burglar! Just look at the nerve of this guy. It's nice here. Ooh. Jewelry box? What? Nothing but a bobby pin. What a waste. Where's all the good stuff around here? Still nothing. It makes no sense. Think! The trash? No way. The cops! I gotta get out of here! Oh no! Well, that worked like a charm. And all it took was a little ball. Check it out, folks. Are you impressed? Instead of the obvious spots, hide your jewels in the less obvious places. No one would ever look in here. Which is why it's the perfect hiding spot. Use a cardboard cutout like this. And carve out a circle in the middle. Use hot glue randomly to hold old wrappers and other trash. Just don't let any cardboard show through. Keep going. And once it's totally covered, you've got yourself a hiding spot. Today's the most boring day ever. Now what? Those are pretty. I wonder… Oh, Mommy? I just wanted to tell you I love you. Oh, what a sweet boy you are. Yeah, let's do this. Woohoo! I'm coming! Ooh! Oh man, they're ruined. Mom, I have something for you. Because you mean so much to me. Oh, wow. All yours. Just to show I care. See ya! Now I'm stuck with this junk. Oh well. Wait. Maybe I can do something with this. Oh yeah! Have an old paper container, flip it over, and put a wine glass on top. Upside down. Then put flowers around its edge. Use whatever colors you'd like. Then pour liquid resin over the space. Make sure it fills all the way up. Don't worry, it can cover the flowers. Then wait to let it harden. Now remove the glass and you'll be left with this gorgeous bracelet. Truly one of a kind. You can make a bunch of them. Mom, do you like snakes? They're not real. Relax. Huh? Bro, it was an awesome show. But did they have sick tats like this? What? Wow! Wow. Okay, I gotta get one too. David's suddenly very attractive. Hi. Can I touch it? Ooh. Oh. Ow. It hurt? Nah, not really. Ah! It hurts so bad! What are you gonna do to me? Oh. Didn't start yet, did we? Whoops. Ready? I think so. Oh gosh. It's really happening! Nope. No? You're so brave! I wish I had a cool tattoo. But at least I can pretend, right? Check it out! That's some wimpy ink. Not like mine. Oh. Now what? I can still be impressive. See this thing? Yeah, I can spin it really fast. Ugh. This isn't working. How can I get David's attention? I know. Hey, this outfit's way more me, right? I mean… meh. Ugh. This is hopeless. Wait a second. I think I know what to do. Take a paperclip and clip the end like so. You'll end up with a bunch of pieces like this. All you need is 4 of them. Whoa! Those piercings are amazing! And you have so many of them. All I have is this one measly tattoo. Wanna hang? Oh, I don't think so. Worked like a charm. Scary movie, huh? Oh. Sorry about that. Hey, I'll be right back. Oh yeah, she totally digs me. Phew. Things are getting steamy in there. Wait, where are my earrings? Must have forgotten to put them on. There. Now this looks way better. No! My earrings! You've gotta be kidding me! Am I really gonna do this? Oh gosh. Huh? This isn't my earring. Ugh. Wait, is this it? Ha! What? Oh, come on! Hey. Huh. What's up? Is it me? Nah. What? Tell me. My favorite earring, see? Popcorn? No! Hey, at least I tried. Wait, maybe I can use this. Have a colorful popcorn kernel? Hang it on an earring hook. It should fit on pretty easily. See? It totally worked. Ta-da! What? For you! Wow! They're nice and light, too! You're just the sweetest guy. You deserve a kiss. Get out of here. Oh, yeah! Annie? Ugh. Annie. Hey! I need you to put these up. Now. No! Yes. You don't want to listen to me? Ugh, this is so stupid. I can't even reach that high. Okay. This should be better. Hey! I can't see! Whoa! Ah! Aw, man. These things are everywhere. I can't do this. Wait. I just had a brilliant idea! See these curtain rings? Turns out they're pretty versatile. But first, let's change the color. I tend to like gold. And don't be afraid to paint on a couple coats. Once that's dry, string a thick piece of ribbon through it. Keep going through a couple of them. Flip the ribbon back as you keep adding more pieces. Trust me on this. It turns out super cool! And it makes for the perfect jewelry. See? Who needs curtains anyway? This is way more fabulous. What? How do you think of this stuff? There. One half's done. Give me the other. You fashionistas.
In the mood to create something beautiful to wear? These tips ought to come in handy then. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and subscribe for more awesome videos.